I tell you what, that rain brought some serious wind again. Trying to ride with no hand, it's pushing me all over the place. Doing my best just to stay down in zone 2 and just do this as a relaxing ride. Like I said, try not to push hard. Like I said, the wind is kicking. Better keep one hand on the bar at all times. Whew. That was sketchy. So, like I mentioned earlier, we lost my nephew last week, and still handling business with that. So it gets you thinking, 27-year-old passes away of type 1 diabetes. It's hard on everybody. It's one thing when your grandparent passed away, or somebody that's 70, 80, 90 years old. You think, okay, they lived a good long life, and you can almost be happy for them at times, sad for the family, but not so much for the individual. But a 27-year-old, they hadn't had a chance to really live, and he hadn't really lived. So anyway, all the thoughts go through your head, should have done more, should have done better, should have checked on him more frequently, what could you do differently now? All those thoughts I think are normal, goes through everybody's mind when you lose somebody. But instead of playing the blame game, just try to think about what you can do moving forward. Who can you help? How can you help? Try to catch things sooner for other people that may be in need. And I think the wife and I have always been pretty active in charitable contributions, helping people in need, sacrificially giving quite often to different ministries and charities. And that's why most of the rides I do are charity rides. It's for a cause. So it kind of justifies you spending money to do a ride. Sometimes you're thinking, why would I pay to do that when I could just ride it for free? But you got to think about the bigger picture, who you might be helping with your money you've given to do that ride as a group, or even solo. There's a lot of solo charity rides too. That being said, I've been thinking about one. I don't know if any of you have heard of it, done it. I forget the abbreviations already. It's FDR, FARD, or something like that. It's 4 letters. I can't recall now, but it's a type 1 diabetic charity ride, fundraiser for raising money to cure diabetes. I guess they're from out of Wisconsin, but they do rides all around, and they do one on Amelia Island, which is fairly close by, in December, I think it was, last year, and I think it'll be this year as well, in December. And there's also, I saw on their website, Ride Your Way, Ride Your Day. So I guess you could ride any route or any time, any distance, and raise money. So I might look further into that, consider that, or just do my own thing. I don't know. But, type 1 diabetes is from the pits of hell. I've seen it destroy a few people. So, what can I do? I'm not a researcher. I'm not a doctor. No chemist. Don't have deep pockets. But I could do something. And I think that's the whole point. Everybody can do something. And it's hard to spread yourself out. You can't help everybody. You can't do every single charity. You can't give every time somebody asks. Sometimes you got to just say, I can't right now. So what can I do? I can ride my bike, and I enjoy riding my bike. That's why I like doing charity rides. I can be helping somebody and doing something I enjoy doing at the same time. So let me know what you think. If you have any thoughts, ideas, experience in either losing somebody in diabetes or, doing a diabetes charity ride. You know of any? South Georgia, Florida area, something I might consider or look at. Again, like I said, I've thought about just doing my own thing too. I've helped organize several different rides and races in the past, so I know I can put something together. But pushing myself to a further distance than I've ever ridden, maybe, some people give till it hurts out of their pocket. That don't take very much for me to give till it hurts out of my pocket. So maybe push more miles than I've ever pushed before. Hold on a second, gotta do a U-turn here into the road. Oh man. Yeah, let me know what you think, ideas, opinions. What could I do that might be a give till it hurts, a distance, location, I don't know. I was just kind of playing around on the maps this morning and looked at riding from here to Gainesville was like 156 miles, primarily going down Highway 17. I could probably do 150 miles in a day. I've never done that before. I don't know. Like I said, just kind of brainstorming, just trying to think. And what's the best way I could honor my nephew and maybe help give to support others or help others that are suffering from the same thing. So, all right, I'll get off here for a minute. I'll try to record some more later if this wind dies down a little bit.